Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome to the Scrappiness YouTube channel. So we're going to make a super cute Easter card today and we're using the Easter Bunny Shaker Craft dies, and I love how many dies you get in this set, and it's super easy, and I love those feet and those pieces for the ears and the bow, so great. So I'm going to cut out a few of these pieces with purple cardstock, and this is probably 65 pounds maybe. And then I'm going to use the Love Doodles gold paper pad for some of the other pieces to layer, like the bow and the ears. And I love that I had a scratch, not a scratch, a scrap piece of paper, perfect for these pieces. And then I thought it looked too purple, so well, I do love purple, but I thought it would be best to use a different color pattern paper. So I'm going to look to see if there's anything that would match, and I did find a shaker pouch in there, which was funny because I'm going to use that a little later. And so I went with the purple faux glitter paper 6x6 pad here, and I like that light colored paper. This purple faux glitter paper is just beautiful. I love all of those papers. So I'm going to actually use some liquid glue and glue this piece to some acetate. Usually I use a tape runner, but I'm going to see how it does here with liquid glue. Let it sit for a while. And I will put the feet together and the bow using liquid glue. And I think this is a really cute shaker set, and I think I might go back and make a tag because I think that's also would be cute. You can easily make a tag and put it on an Easter basket, or maybe you bake. You can put a tag on something you bake and give it to someone. That would be so cute. And I added a pink center to that purple glitter, faux glitter paper, and I'm going to put the ears in. And I love that it shows you which way to put the ears. Like, it has the lines, which is so great. And so it makes it really easy. And now I'm going to fussy cut around the circle, and to get as close as I can for a clean look. I don't have my glasses on, so if there is any acetate later, I will just clean it up a little bit later. It's getting a little dark in my craft room, and I liked that I could bend the ears a little and see where that acetate is, so that helped a lot. And so I think that looks good. Next, I'm going to add some foam tape, which is a 1/4 inch, and I just went around, and then now I'm going to go around again to build it up so I have room for my embellishments to shake. And it was really hard to pick which embellishments I wanted to use because there's so many beautiful ones, and I just went with some that matched. So here are the ones I chose. I chose Brilliant Barbie Pink Confetti Dot Sequins, Purple Shaker Tinsel, White Linen Dots, White Shaker Tinsel, pastel solid round confetti sequins and a sparkling snow glitter sequin mix, which was an extra. I wasn't going to use it, but I love those glitter sequins so much. In fact, I should get an extra bag. And if you shop Cat Scrappiness, make sure you grab 1 or 2 of those bags because they are my favorite. And I'm just using a powder tool and I'm putting all my bits in there, just a little bit here and there. And I will put them back because if I don't put them back, I will probably spill them or mix them up, and I didn't want to do that. And just putting those pink, brilliant Barbie pink in, and then I will put in all my white ones in here. And I love that I used dots. I have to use dots every shaker card because then you can hear it shake, and that's the best sound. And then I will put in my sparkling snow glitter sequins here, and that I think is it, and it was perfect. So I'm just going to put my backing on and with some liquid glue also, and I let that sit for a good 30 minutes or so, and just to make sure everything was glued and it was perfect. And I will put a stamp block on top. And so it got dark in my craft room, but I wanted to finish my video here, and so I will turn on my light in just a bit. So I'm going to glue the feet and the bow, and I think it's so cute. I love it. And I almost want to keep it on my desk, but I will probably mail it. But right now it's on my desk and it's super cute. And I have to stop hoarding some of these cards. So adding the bow. Yay. Okay, so now I'm going to use the label frame craft die. Put on my light so it's much brighter. Yay. And I love that these paper pads have solid paper, so I love that. So you wouldn't think I'd grab for this Cowboy Quokka paper pad, but it was so perfect for this card. And I'm going to use that one. And I'm going to cut out an A2 card base and glue everything together. And I have a sentiment that says, "You're so sweet," and that is a simple sentiment, Valentine edition, I believe, and I will put that down below, and you can click on the pictures or you can click on my links and it will take you to the Cat Scrappiness store. So I'm just going to glue my bunny with liquid glue. And I have a foam strip in back of my sentiment. And I think it came out really cute. I love it. And I was going to add a few more sequins on the side there, but I didn't think it needed it. So there's plenty in that shaker. So, and I will just glue that on, and then I will give my card a shake for you. And I hope you like my tutorial, and I had so much fun making this card. So here it is, and I will be back soon with another video.